Hello, welcome to 3D Printing with Wayne. Today I'm going to show you one of my latest prints. It's these things, and we only need one of them, you don't need two. But it's a little holder for your laundry detergent cup if you use the liquid detergents. And I printed these on my Bamboo Lab H2C printer, which is right over here beside them. If you hear noise, it's it running. It's printing little figurines of the cartoon character called Stitch. And when they're finished in a later video, I will do a video about the little Stitch characters and how they turned out. They look like they're going to be really cute. But anyway, let's move on to the laundry room and I'll show you how these things work, and I have found them to be quite useful. Okay, here we are in my laundry room, and typically my bottle of Tide liquid detergent sits right here on this shelf above my washing machine. And this thing, as I showed you, it just fits right over that. You just press it on the cap. It just installs that easily. And then the little cup just sits right there. And then you can bash this to fill it up. The only thing I found is I do have one cup for my Tide that's a little bit larger than this right here. But even at that, it still sits there just fine. But I usually use the smaller one. And then to fill it up, I just do that. And I might turn it so I can see the numbers on it. I'm getting a little low on Tide, so this is running slow. Apologize for that. But anyway, if that was all I wanted, I just do that. And I take this, dump it in my washing machine, which is right below this. And then just set my cup back up there to store it. And then I don't have to worry about trying to find it or losing it or something. I just store it there when I'm through with it. And it just makes it real easy to keep up with the little cup, as well as a nice convenient place to put it to fill it. So I really do like this, and there will be a link in the description to the file where you can print your own. So there you have it. I have found these things to be very useful, and like I said before, if you want to see my video about the little character Stitch that's printing now on my Bamboo Labs printer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, ring the bell, all those things. Makes it a lot easier to find my future videos, and I will be doing a video about those characters, or that character, when they come out. I'm doing 4 different sizes. But anyway, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting 3D Printing with Wayne, and we hope you have a great 3D day.